The call to Santeria. Every journey in Santeria begins with a call, often subtle but persistent. A person may feel drawn to the teachings of the Orishas, experience dreams, or witness signs that invite them to explore deeper spiritual truths. The first step in becoming a practitioner is recognizing and accepting this calling. Finding a godparent, padrino, madrina. The next critical step is finding a spiritual guide or godparent, padrino or madrina, who is an experienced santero or santera. This person will mentor and initiate the seeker, guiding them through the rituals and principles of Santeria. Trust and respect between the initiate and their godparent is foundational. The reading of the cowrie shells, Dalagan. Before initiation, a spiritual reading using cowrie shells, known as a Dalagan reading, is performed. The Orishas speak through the shells, providing insight into the seeker's spiritual destiny, what Orisha governs them, and any taboos or life changes necessary. Receiving the elix, the sacred beads. The first formal initiation ritual involves receiving the elix or sacred beads, which represent the Orishas. These beads protect the initiate and symbolize their alignment with the divine forces. The ceremony is usually private, conducted by the godparent in a sacred space. Cleansing and purification rituals. Cleansing rituals, called Rogation de la Cabeza, are performed to remove negative energies and align the initiate's spirit with the Orishas. These rituals often include spiritual baths made from herbs and prayers to cleanse the mind, body, and soul. Receiving warriors, los guerreros. The next phase in the journey is receiving the Orishas, known as the warriors, Elegua, Ogun, Okosi, and Osun. These deities guide and protect the initiate in daily life. The sacred objects associated with these Orishas are given during a special ceremony. The Aitfa ceremony, Aitfa initiation. The Aitfa is a highly significant initiation into the mysteries of Aitfa, the divination system of Santeria. During this ceremony, the initiate learns their life's purpose and is introduced to deeper aspects of the faith. This complex ritual can take several days and requires the presence of skilled priests and priestesses. Becoming an Olorisha. After completing the initiation, the initiate becomes an Olorisha, meaning one who has Orisha. They are now considered a full practitioner of Santeria and can perform certain rituals, serve the Orishas, and help guide others on their spiritual paths. Building an altar and daily offerings. A crucial part of practicing Santeria is maintaining an altar dedicated to the Orishas. Daily offerings of food, water, and candles are made to maintain a connection with the divine and to seek guidance. The altar becomes a sacred space for reflection and prayer. Honoring ancestors, Egan. Ancestor veneration plays a vital role in Santeria. Practitioners honor their deceased loved ones, or Egan, through prayers, offerings, and rituals. This practice strengthens the connection between the living and the spiritual realm. Participating in drumming ceremonies, Bemb. Drumming ceremonies, called Bemb, are an essential part of Santeria worship. These lively events involve singing, dancing, and drumming to call upon the Orishas, who are believed to possess the participants during the ceremony. Continuing the journey and serving the community. Becoming a Santeria practitioner is a lifelong journey. Practitioners continue learning, participating in rituals, and deepening their connection with the Orishas. Many practitioners also take on roles within their spiritual community, offering guidance and wisdom to others. The conclusion. Becoming a Santeria practitioner is a transformative journey of spiritual growth, dedication, and connection to the divine. Through rituals, initiations, and ongoing devotion to the Orishas and ancestors, practitioners find guidance, protection, and purpose. This sacred path is not just about personal enlightenment, but also about contributing to the spiritual well-being of the community. This in-depth guide serves as a powerful resource for those seeking to understand the steps, rituals, and significance of becoming a Santeria practitioner. Each visual scene captures the beauty, intensity, and spirituality of the Santeria tradition in 8K high definition, making it an immersive experience. If you have any personal experiences or thoughts about Santeria, please share them with us in the comments below. Brought to you by Orisha Oasis TV. And if you're interested in exploring more videos on related topics, be sure to check out our channel for a wealth of spiritual and cultural content.